What's up everyone, Matt here, and I am blown away right now. What I'm about to show you is this piece I decided to film using just my iPhone 13 Pro. I filmed the entire thing in 4K ProRes at 24 frames per second. I did some editing and color grading in Final Cut Pro, and this, what I'm about to show you right now, is the finished cut. Let's let it roll. Again, that was all shot on my iPhone 13 Pro. Now, I will say, it probably doesn't outshoot my Canon R6, and while it does look amazing, there's just something about being able to have control over aperture and exposure and changing my lens, and you can really get detailed dynamic range and great depth of field from a full frame mirrorless camera. But the video quality from the iPhone is truly stunning. I'm blown away with how clean and dynamic it looks. You can really do some amazing things between slow-mo, switching frame rates, and using cinematic mode. I would love to know what you think and hear your opinions about using the iPhone for full shoots, B-roll, and other things. Let me know down in the comments and stay tuned for the next video coming out soon.